Here's how to find archived emails in Gmail. So maybe you archived emails on purpose or by accident, and now you want to view them or unarchive them. We'll show you how. There are a few ways to do this. So first of all, go ahead and open your Gmail application, or you can also go to the website of mail.google.com. Now find and click on All Mail option, that is between Scheduled and Spam. Here you'll see all your emails. Archived emails won't have an inbox label. You can scroll through to find them. But this isn't ideal since you're seeing your whole inbox. So here's how to filter for only archived emails. From the search bar in the top, tap on this Show Search Options icon. And here select date range if you want. Then go to the Does Not Have field and type in label inbox. This is because emails in your inbox have the inbox label. This will filter out emails with that label. Then click on search, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom. And now you'll see only your archived emails according to the date you have set. You can select them and move them back to your inbox or just view them here. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.